Okay. So this math is basically a distributive law. Okay. ডিস্ট্রিবিউটরটা কিভাবে হয়? যদি আমরা ডিস্ট্রিবিউট মানে কি? ডিস্ট্রিবিউট মানে হচ্ছে কিছু একটা দিয়ে দেওয়া, ডিস্ট্রিবিউট, তাই তো? এবার তুই যদি যে নর্মাল ওয়েতে এটা করেছিলিস ফার্স্টে, এটা প্রথম কথা ভুল কেন? কারণ এই 5 এর মাল্টিপ্লিকেশনটা ভালো করে বোঝ। এই 5 মাল্টিপ্লিকেশনটা কার সাথে আছে? পুরো এই টার্মটার সাথে মাল্টিপ্লিকেশনটা আছে, নট অনলি 7। তাহলে তাহলে এই ফ্যাক্টরটাই তাহলে দিয়ে দিত, 5 × 7 + 3 দিত। 7 এর সাথে 5 মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন আছে, কিন্তু এটার মানে হচ্ছে you should multiply 5 with this whole term 7 + 3. That's why ব্র্যাকেটের কাজ আগে হবে, 7 + 3 10 হয়ে যাবে into 5. Got it?
Yes, তাহলে এবার
So this is the example of this one actually. Now we will find how to do this in a distributive way. Okay, just let me finish, then you can ask your question. জল খা, যদি কাশি হয় জল খা। ঠিক আছে?
এক মিনিট স্যার দিচ্ছে।
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে, আমি বলি তুই শোন, তোকে কথা বলতে হবে না, জল খেয়ে তারপর কথা বলিস, ঠিক আছে?
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে।
তাহলে this x into a plus b, that means this x will be effect on this total term a plus b, and the same way this 5, okay, this 5 will be effect on 7 + 3 both. Okay, so easiest way is doing this one. Okay, first addition of 7 + 3 will happen, then the multiplication of 5 × 10 will be 50. That is the simplest one. But there is another thing that is called distributive property. Okay, that is, we should distribute this 5 among 7 and 3. So how to distribute it? It means 5 × 7 + 3. I've already told you. This is the mechanical way I'm showing you. That is 5 × 7. Okay, 5 × 7. Then you just put whatever the term it is. If there instead of plus, if there is minus, we can put minus over here. Okay.
Okay.
As it is plus here, we'll just put plus over here. So plus again 5 × 3. That means this 5 will be affected on 7 and 3 both, like this way. Okay. So what is the answer now? This is 35. This is 15. So 50 is the answer. We got our answer correctly. Right?
Yes.
Now I'm giving you a simple example of this, a real life example. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose you are 5 people over there.
Yes.
Okay, 5 people over there.
Okay.
You just go to a shop. Okay, normal tea shop.
Okay.
You went there and everybody took 1 tea. Means 1 tea. Everybody 5 people.
Yes.
Okay, and the tea price is Suppose 7 rupees. Okay.
Okay.
Everybody took one biscuits also. Different kinds of biscuits are there, but each
Okay.
biscuit's price is 3 rupees. Okay. So everybody
Okay.
took one piece of biscuits. Each and every. Okay. So tell
Yes.
me how much money you spend in that shop. 7 plus 3. Obviously, one tea and one biscuit,
Yes.
right? In the same
Yes.
way, all the people spent 10 rupees of money.
Yes.
But how? One tea and one biscuit. That is 7 plus 3.
Yes.
Now, how many people are there? 5.
5.
So 5 people are there. Everybody
So
took
5 into 7
one
plus.
tea and one biscuit. So they should be in bracket because
Yes.
these 5 will be affected on the 7 and these 3, both of them, right?
Yes.
Now, if you calculate, it will be 50 because 7 plus 3 is 10 and 5 into 10 is 50. Now, the same example I'm giving you, but the calculation is different in this case. How? Suppose you took 5 tea. Okay. First you took 5.
Okay.
Okay. And the shopkeeper asks you the money instantly. Right now we have to give the money there. After that, I will just give you the tea. Okay. So how much money
Okay.
you will give them? This is case 1. This is case 2. How much money you will give?
So
5 into 7?
35 rupees.
35 rupees.
35 rupees.
Next, after 2 minutes, you are thinking that only tea is not good for health. So you should take one biscuits also, everybody. Okay. So then
Yes.
what you do? Everybody took one biscuits. Now,
Yes.
3 rupees biscuits and 5 people are there. How much money you have to give to the shopkeeper?
15 rupees.
15 rupees. That is 5 into 3.
Yes.
Right. So this way, these two statements, this case 1 and case 2, both are similar. Both are similar.
Similar.
But the situations are different. That's why I just this distributive property is different and this first line is different. But
Yes.
the calculation is actually the way of calculation is different. But as you are spending the same money, the answer should be same. That is 50. Okay.
Yes.
So whether you go for the first type of thing or the second type of thing, so the second type of means procedure formula, you will get the normal answer. But in a real
Yes.
life, where you have the price with you, you are the 5 people you know, but when you don't know how many people are there, suppose there is X people, you don't know the tea's price. The tea price is A. You don't know the biscuits price. If the biscuits price is B, okay, like this way, this formula. Then what we'll do? We'll do the second one. We'll do the second one.
Second one.
And we just put the exact numbers, exact terms, okay, like this way. What is the formula then? It will be X into A because X people are there. They have taken
Yes.
T, which price is A rupees, suppose. Okay. So how much money
Yes.
you spent? X into A rupees?
Yes.
Yes. Next.
So it will be X into A plus X into B.
Yes. That is the answer. Okay.
Okay.
In the similar way, the second one will also work. Okay. Suppose the same thing. Suppose there are suppose there are 12 people right now. Okay. where
Okay.
suppose x is 5 and y is 7. Okay. Just
Okay.
think about a scenario. In puja, you went to a same shop, okay, to bring
Okay.
some keys and all. But somehow you met with some people, you know them already, some friends or family, okay, and you people were
Okay.
5 people at there, and
Yes.
you met with 7 peoples, okay, fine.
Okay.
So
Yes.
first when you gone there, you took one tea, after that you took one biscuit. So
Yes.
you have given your part. What is that? That is x into a plus x into b. Yes, right? X
Yes.
into a plus x into
X into
b.
B.
You have done this part. You have given the money to the shopkeeper. But after that, after few times, you met with some 7 peoples. That is b, y actually here. That is y here. Huh? That is 7 people.
Okay.
Okay. Now, as they are very close, your father told them, ki, no, I will pay the money. You just take it. Take whatever you want.
Okay.
Okay. They also took the same thing. As you are having the tea and biscuits, they were also having the same thing. Okay. Fine. So
Okay.
again, they will took y people are there. And what is the chai price? A.
Yes.
And also y people are there. What is the biscuits price? B. Okay. So first
Okay.
you take any one term, that is suppose x, and apply the formula the previous one. You whatever the formula you apply in the previous one, do that formula. Okay.
Okay.
That is the first step. This one. Next, you have to find the sign of this one. See, it can I can take also A as a number of people. I can take B as a number of people. Okay, and X as a
Okay.
tea price, Y as a biscuits price. That is not the problem. You can take any of them. Okay, this is the example only. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Fine. Don't look in any other place. Okay. Concentrate on
Okay.
this. Huh? Because this is an important concept.
Yes.
So you can take x, okay, apply distributive law on a plus b. Okay. This
Okay.
sign is basically this sign. This plus will come over here. If there is minus, there will be minus sign. Okay, so there is two term basically. This is the first term, this is the second term. So first term will be coming from this x into a plus b, or you can say this x into a plus b plus
Yes.
y into a plus b. Okay, and this plus is basically coming from where? This x plus y. This x plus y.
Y.
As there is x plus y, that's why it's plus. If there is x minus y, the sign will be minus.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
Got it? Okay.
Yes, I got it.
Now expand this x into a, x into b plus. Huh? Here,
Yes.
the plus will be coming over here normally. And again, the expand will be there. X, oh, sorry, y into a plus y into b.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes. So can I just write it down also?
Obviously, you can write it down, but not right now. I'll share the video.
Okay.
Okay, you can write it. Just after the
Okay.
class will end, I'll share the video.
Okay.
Okay. So the next page, there is no next page actually. Anyways, can just another one. Okay. So
Yeah.
if there is suppose there is x plus y and e plus b plus c. Okay.
Where are you writing the question?
Okay. The previous one is shared. I am sharing the previous one. No? Just wait.
Yes.
Uh, okay. So x plus y
Yes.
and a plus b plus c. Okay. The
Okay.
same thing will happen. I'll take x first, then a plus b plus c
B.
plus y a plus b plus c. This plus is this plus, huh? This plus is this plus. Okay.
This.
Okay. Now again,
Okay.
we can expand x into a plus x into b plus x into c. This plus will come
Yes.
over here. Y into a, y into b plus y into.
Y to C.
Okay.
Okay.
That is the one. And there is another possibility. Suppose I am taking a plus b first and xy second term as. Okay. The multiplication will be same. Obviously. See, a plus b
Yes.
has a same value. Whatever the value of a plus a, b, and c. If I add them, there will be one value. If I add x plus
Yes.
y, there will be again one value. And that is constant. Those values are constant. So, is it matter ki if I take the means any of the term means first and the second and the last when I am multiplying something? 5 into 7 and 7 into 5 is same.
Yes.
Associative law, right?
Yes.
Huh? So now, but the distribution is different, somehow different. Okay. So here it would be a into x plus y. Then plus it's okay.
Yes.
A into x plus y. Then this plus will come over here. Then
Yeah.
again b into x plus
X
y.
plus Y.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Then again there is
Again
plus.
C into X
So
plus Y.
plus c into x plus y. As there is all are plus, so that's why it's come like this. But if there is minus, suppose there is a minus b minus c. Okay, by the way, one more thing. Try to take each and every term in a bracket. Why? I'm telling you in the next line. Okay. So
Okay.
next x plus y, suppose. So now again, a into x plus y, right?
Yes.
Minus will come over here. Minus b into b into x plus y, right?
Yes.
Again minus c into x plus y, right?
Yes.
Now if I expand this one, the answer will be ax plus ay plus bx plus by plus cx plus cy. cy, cx, by, bx, ay, ax. You got the same value, right?
Yes.
Okay. But here is different. What is different? The signs are different actually for B and C. Okay. That's why you
Yes.
get the different value. What it will be? it will be ax plus ay, right? Then minus bx, I'm taking the bracket, plus by. I'm just expand this one, bx and plus by. Okay,
Yes.
I'm expanding this one also, cx plus cy. Okay, but this, there is minus also. There is minus also. This minus will affect the total term. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this minus basically come over here and make this plus bx into minus bx, and also this plus bi into minus by.
So
Okay.
everything will be minus only.
Yes, both of them will be minus. X plus ay minus bx minus by. Again minus cx minus
Minus cy.
cy. Okay. That's
Okay.
why I ask you to keep one bracket, second bracket over there.
Yes.
Because that minus c or minus b, that this c is with minus sign. This will totally affect on x plus y. As previous it was plus, so at that time there is no issue. Or everything was plus, is going smoothly. But
Yes.
this minus b and minus c, if there is minus a also, okay, at that time,
Yes.
whatever the number is in minus term, that will affect the other terms with minus sign. Okay, but there is one exception. Here is one exception. What is the exception? If two minus are there, it will be plus.
Yes.
Yes. How it is? I'm giving you a small example, not big one. Suppose a minus b, okay, and
Okay.
x minus y. The
Yes. So
formula
now
is
what
same.
should we do?
The formula is same. The formula is same. What is the formula? First take a, then take all the term of this. Then take the next sign here. Then take b, and then take x minus y. Just take bracket over there. Okay. So see, what is the formula? Take first term and take the rightmost total term with it.
Okay.
Take second term and rightmost the total term with it. And what is the sign between them? That is the this sign. Okay. If there is minus c also, suppose. Okay. There should be minus c. Sorry. Minus c minus y. Okay. I'm not going to this
Okay.
one. Okay. I'll just make it simple. So I just want this one. So this one will be ax. What happened? This one will be ax minus ay. Ax minus ay.
Ay.
Right? This is simple.
Yes.
Very simple. Huh? Bracket, second bracket or first bracket, whatever you will feel like, you can take it. Next,
Okay.
bx minus by. This is simple. But this minus, what I can do? I have to make it simple form, right? In a simple way, I have to write it. Here, nothing is there means plus is there actually. So plus will affect normally. The ax will be ax, the minus ay will be minus ay only. But there is minus. So after minus, if I open this bracket, this bx is actually positive, right? Nothing is there means it is positive,
Positive.
right? But
Yes.
this minus will affect this one and make it -1
Negative.
minus bx. And this minus will affect this minus term and it will make it positive. That is plus b1.
Okay.
Got it? Got my point?
Yes.
X second. Okay,
Okay.
clear? I know
Huh.
it will take time, but just try to revise. After this class will end, I'll share the video. Try to
Okay.
go through the video, and I have explained this one: x plus y into a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c
Yes.
into x plus y, a minus b minus c into x plus y. I have written everything. Okay. Try to take this part and try to do it yourself. After watching
Okay.
the video 1 or 2 times, okay, pause the video, try to do this thing by yourself. Okay.
Yes.
If there is any problem, again go through the video, again try to solve it by your own. And after this class, I'll send you this type of question. Okay. You have to
Okay.
solve it by this type of only. If there is numbers, suppose 5 plus 7 into like this one. Suppose 5 plus 7 into 3 plus 9 plus 2. Suppose I have given this one. Don't do it 5 plus 7 is 12. This is 14. So 12 into 14 is something. Don't do this like this. Do this
Okay.
like
I should
this.
put alphabet.
Do this. I'll put alphabet. No. I'll give you some alphabets also. I'll give you
Okay.
some kind of this sum also. But this sum
Okay.
also you should do like this way. You should multiply 5 into 3 plus 9 plus 12, 2 plus 7
Okay.
into 3 plus 9 plus 2. Then expand it like this way. Like the previous one I was doing now. This one I have done now. This one.
Yes.
Do this like this way. Expand first.
Okay. I'll do in algebraic.
First, yeah. This is called the expandation. First expand,
Yes.
then do the calculation. See, I can do this one like this now. 5 into 10 it is 50.
Yes.
But I am not asking you to do this. I'm asking you to do like
Yes.
this way. First expand it. And instead of 5, suppose I will give you this. Okay. So that time you should take 7 into 7 plus 3 plus 5 into 7 plus 3.
Mm.
Okay. Next 7 into 7 plus 7 into 3. Next 5 into 7 plus 5 into 3. You have to expand
Yes.
all the possibilities. Okay. At the end of the age, we have to calculate.
Yes.
At the end, you can calculate for this one.
Okay.
And if I give you alphabet, you can't calculate anything. You have to keep it over there. AX plus AY plus AB plus AC plus AD, whatever it is.
Yes.
Okay. Got it?
Okay.
And I
Yes,
can
I
do
got
one
it.
more thing also. Suppose I'll give you A plus B into X plus Y. Okay. In the bracket,
Okay.
I'll give you the numbers. A is 2, B is 3, X is 7, Y is 5. So in this way. So you have to
Okay.
expand it in a way that you don't take the number first. You just expand it in a algebraic form. That will be ax plus by plus cy, whatever it is. After that, you have to put the value 2, 3, 5, 7 and make the calculation. Got it?
Okay. Yes, I got it.
Got it now? So
Yes.
those sums I'll give you, okay, within few minutes after this
Okay.
class, so that you can do that.
Okay.
And
So now what will
make
we do?
sure you will do this sum today only, and you have to
Yes, I'll
send
do
me by
today.
today only at like within 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. Okay,
In 9?
obviously p.m. na 9 p.m.
Mm.
9 a.m. will
Okay.
not come today. 9 and 10 a.m. will not come
I
today.
thought I thought next day. You said
No,
I
no,
thought
no,
I
no,
heard
no, no. By
9
today, by
a.m.
today, by today you have to send me. Okay. Otherwise, you will
Yes.
again forget. You will again forget.
Yes, I do it.
This is the nth time I am giving you the revision
Okay.
of this topic. Okay. I don't want.
Yes.
See, দুজনেরই সময় নষ্ট না, তাই না?
হ্যাঁ।
Anyways, so I'm stop recording here.